Namaste parents. Are you worried? Are you looking for an elite and affluent Arora families for matrimonial alliance who is equally qualified and professionally settled? Then you're watching the right video. I know, for marriage alliance, you don't need 1,000 profiles. You just need the right one. So watch this video till the end. This is Pragati. Today I'm here with another video on one of the best Arora Elite Marriage Bureau cum Elite Wedding Planners. An elite Arora Marriage Bureau that provides its matrimonial matchmaking services 100% free for widows and physically challenged females from respected Arora families. A marriage bureau for an elite and affluent Arora families passionate about technology and want to make it easy to use for every Arora elite family, challenging the one package fits all approach with prices starting at 11,100 rupees only. An elite Arora Marriage Bureau, which is not only limited to Arora bridegroom matchmaking services, but also arranges wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding venue, music bands, as well as taking contracts for everything. From matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing elite class weddings. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. Nowadays, in Arora community, the number of millionaires is growing. Don't we all think that having more money will solve all our problems? Not always. When it comes time to finding a perfect Arora life partner for your son or daughter, it is like separating the gold diggers from the genuine ones. Do they love me for me or are they after me for my money? One of the troubling findings is that money is actually a barrier in searching a right life partner for the uber wealthy Arora families. Our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heaven, but it is we who have to start the process. In Arora community, some people meet their life partners easily and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in Arora community. In good old days, Arora elite marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests, or even barbers. But in this cyber age, the search for an elite Arora life partner has been taken up by elite Arora marriage bureaus or elite Arora marriage consultancy. Today I will introduce you an elite matrimonial service provider for Arora community, which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the elite Arora families in India and abroad for matrimonial alliances. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages for Arora community, but the marriage bureau who have changed the concept of Arora elite partner search and they have resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker services. Imagine an elite Arora marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Now, coming to today's topic, if you are an ultra-rich business person, industrialist, manufacturer, constructor, developer, jeweler, or a top-notch professional from Arora community and you are looking for a suave and affluent bridegroom similar to your own status, then Dharma Vedic Matrimonial Service Private Limited can help you in finding that perfect elite match. Very briefly, I am telling you what an elite Arora family is looking for in their search for a bridegroom in Arora community. Yes, they are keen to match with people of similar status. They also look for personal and lifestyle match. And last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic Arora Elite Matchmaking Services. Dharma Vedic offers a personalized and exclusive way to choose an elite Arora life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We have never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online cum offline services just like your neighborhood elite Arora Marriage Bureau to help you find the right match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic creates partnership with clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivery. We are not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connections between great people and families in India and abroad. We are dedicated to providing superior customer service every step of the way related to marriage in Arora community. That's why 9 out of 10 Arora clients tell us they'd recommend us to their colleagues in Aurora community. Dharma Vedic Aurora Elite membership top features are: number 1. We do not just sign up an Elite Aurora client for a fee. Our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our elite clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2. We do not keep any Elite Aurora profile online. This is why, because the socioeconomic status of the Aurora client families demands a certain level of privacy. All Elite profiles are shared via our secure app. The app hosted on secure servers are not open to anyone except to verified clients. There is no option for random Elite Aurora profile searching. We personally upload matching profiles for every Aurora client, and only those are visible to that particular client. Number 3. We have a large Elite database of profiles from Aurora community, and our services are 100% discreet and confidential. We also have handpicked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective Aurora partners. Number 4. Our Aurora Elite matchmaking service fee ranges starting from 11,100 rupees to over 2 lakh rupees only. Now, coming to the last, what are the eligibility criteria to be served as an Elite Aurora matchmaking services? So friends and parents, one needs to belong to the category of the rich and affluent, since that's what our Elite Aurora members seek. Our Aurora Elite and affluent members also expect a certain net worth. Dharma Vedic Aurora Elite members includes high net worth individuals, leading entrepreneurs, industrialists, celebrities in various fields, and professionals in senior management positions from Aurora community. One more thing, Dharma Vedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding venue and other related things at a good discount. At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharma Vedic also takes contracts for organizing Elite Aurora weddings in India and abroad. So parents, it's high time now to find an Elite Aurora bridegroom for your loved one. Please make an effort to call or message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the Aurora Elite matchmaking process in India and abroad. At the same time, if you know someone who is widow or physically challenged female from Aurora community who is struggling to find best groom for their daughters and sisters, please share this video or inform them that Dharma Vedic matchmaking services are 100% free for them. I am Pragati. They can directly call me on 8828952895. Again, I am repeating the number 8828952895. You can also download Dharma Vedic app and register yourself. Registering with Dharma Vedic is absolutely free of cost. Join and connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Stay tuned, stay fit. Namaste. Thank you.